All right, D Helms is going to do a personal box of Dominion from a fresh case here. Let's stack them up and then roll a die 1 through 6. All right, 1 on top, 6 on the bottom. 4. 4. All right. David, here you go, brother. Got a fatty. Bam Adebayo for the Heat to 199 Rook. Next, Karl Anthony Towns, number to 75. Base set in this is beautiful. Next, we've got a quad. It's a fat one, so patch or better. Anthony Davis, Victor Oladipo, Bradley Beal, and LaMarcus Aldridge. Dink. Number to 25. Quad. 18 of 25. Next. Main exhibit Legends Auto to 25. John Starks. John Starks. Next to 49, main exhibit Rookie Auto Bogdan Bogdanovic. Crazy. And rookie jersey auto number to 199, Bam Adebayo. David, there you have it, brother. Appreciate it.